When I started working with him, actually, I saw him on his chair, sitting and ordering people that ये करके दो, ऐसे करके दो, और मेरे को भी ऑर्डर करते थे. That time I thought कि नहीं, ये बंदा मेरा mentor हो सकता है.
And when was this factory started?
It was started on 23rd of June, and I was supposed to do it on 25th of June because it's my dad's birthday. It's better to say a hard no than to say a easy yes. My belief is that everybody working in my company are lions and it is their house. मेरे लिए love का definition या spelling है time. TIME is
Wow.
the spelling of love for me. Hello, this is Samad Hussain Patanwala, Managing Director of Denmark Pharmaceuticals Private Limited. I am confident that Denmark Pharmaceuticals will be one of the leading names in the pharmaceutical space in the near future.
Behind every strong business is a human story. Today, we are talking about a founder whose values are deeply rooted from his family, his discipline, and his clear sense of responsibility. Somebody who believes that in healthcare, trust matters more than speed and quality matters more than numbers. Our guest today is none other than Mr. Samad Hussain Patanwala. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us on our podcast today.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. It's a pleasure.
तो मुझे जानना है कि क्यों डेनमार्क? Why this name Denmark?
It's easy for everyone to remember,
हाँ.
firstly. Secondly, Den is a lion's house, you can say.
Right.
So my belief is that everybody working in my company are lions and it is their house.
Oh.
And thirdly, I personally love Denmark as a country because if you Google it also, it is one of the best countries to do everything best. Best healthcare, best
clean city है,
clean city, everything,
yeah.
clean country, and very good people, and you know, it's a positive name. It's a positive name in its own self.
Right.
So I feel that that's why Denmark.
Beautiful.
And definitely people would not forget this name so easily.
हाँ, क्योंकि बहुत easily remember.
Easily remember, and it strikes, and everybody who wants to understand this, जो नाम देखेगा वो पहले सोचेगा इसका नाम ऐसे क्यों रखा हुआ है, और मैं चाहता हूँ लोग ये सोचे.
बढ़िया, बढ़िया. So you're living in the mindset of the people.
Yeah.
As we all know, right, you are the managing director, the founder of Denmark Pharmaceuticals Private Limited. तो at what point of your life ऐसा हुआ कि आपका जो father son equation था वो mentor leader equation में change हो गया?
He's always been my mentor. He's been a very good father and a very good mentor. But when I started working with him, actually, I saw him on his chair, sitting and ordering people that ये करके दो, ऐसे करके दो, और मेरे को भी ऑर्डर करते थे. That time I thought कि नहीं, ये बंदा मेरा mentor हो सकता है.
अच्छा.
ये बनेगा. So by choice also and by the way his aura is, I felt that he is the person जो मेरे mentor होंगे. And then he taught me a lot of things.
Right.
Not only about business, work, how do you do it, but also about life.
Got it.
That ये करना चाहिए, ये नहीं करना चाहिए. This is how you can live your life.
Okay.
So
आपका first day कैसा था at the job?
So I remember March 28th, 2007, my board exams got over, 10th का.
हाँ.
I had a thought के 10-15 दिन दोस्तों से घूमूंगा फिरूंगा. और उसके बाद में फिर डैड को जाके बोलूँगा कि अब मैं क्या करूँ, मेरे को थोड़ा गाइड करो. On the next very next day he came to me 8 o'clock in the morning and he told me कि स्टॉक लेने का ऑफिस पे, उठो और चलो. 9 बजे रेडी हो गए हम लोग दोनों साथ में. मेरे डैड आगे बाइक चला रहे थे, मैं पीछे बैठा था, और हम दोनों गए ऑफिस के अंदर पे. स्टॉक के प्रिंट आउट निकल रहे थे और मार्च क्लोजिंग का जो स्टॉक होता है, वी वर दैट स्टॉक. सो बट डेफिनेटली व्हेन वी एंटर्ड द ऑफिस ही टोल्ड मी कि काम करो, सामने चाय वाला है सबके लिए, पूरे स्टाफ के लिए, और छोटे वाले कप के अंदर पे चाय लेके आओ.
That was his first thing जो उन्होंने
That
आपको
was
कहा.
my first activity which I had to do when I entered the office. And I got the chai for everyone. ऐसे वो थाली के अंदर पे चाय लेके 20 कप, और सब स्टाफ को एक एक करके चाय दिया. Staff were like little embarrassed also कि चाय ले रहे हम ऐसे. They were happy also because they were taking the chai from me. But thankfully चाय उस टाइम पे दिया तो आज इस लायक बना के किसी से चाय मांग सकता हूँ.
Wow, well
So,
said. Yeah.
Yeah, so that's how it is. This was my first work. Then after that, slowly started doing everything. माल निकालना, चेक करना, पैक करना, डिलीवरी करना, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन में there are many activities like this which I
Right.
had to do it. And Dad taught me or made me a person who knew how to, हमें गोडाउन में झाड़ू कैसे मारना वो भी सिखाया, और चेक पे साइन कैसे करना वो भी सिखाया. उसके बीच में जो भी सीरीज ऑफ वर्क है सब सिखाया.
Nice.
So I know
On ground level पे हर
ground
चीज़
level
सीखी है.
पे I have very good experience.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Nice. But ऐसा कभी रहा है कि you know a moment wherein आपने कुछ decide करना चाहा, like and आपके dad ने उस चीज को disagree किया, या you know some disagreement between you and your dad that happened, but later on maybe you felt कि नहीं यार उन्होंने कहा था वो सही था, या ऐसा कुछ.
He is a person who does not disagree to me or to any of my siblings. वो अपनी राय बता देते कि मैं इसके साथ हूँ, मैं इसके साथ नहीं हूँ. वैसे डिसएग्री नहीं करते कि नहीं करना है. He always says कि I'm okay with this, I'm not okay with this.
समझा.
It
Right.
is that way. But still it is your call. You are the final decision maker जो चूज करेगा करना है नहीं करना है. मैं मेरी एडवाइस दे दिया तेरे को ऐसे होगा. सो फार्मेसी स्टोर्स खोलने का मेरा प्लान था. 20-30 pharmacy stores across Mumbai city. I would take the stock from my distribution, put it into medical stores, and from there, you know, I'll increase it. It was like that. It is a good vision. There are many companies which are doing it successfully in India.
Right.
But not everything is everybody's cup of tea. He was not very up for this decision of mine. जैसे उन्होंने अपनी राय बता दी कि I'm not so okay with this decision. But still, you want to do it? Do it.
कर लो, try कर लो.
You can try कर लो. 2 फार्मेसी स्टोर खोले, अच्छा बनाया, चकाचक एकदम, फार्मेसी, सुपरमार्केट, कन्वीनियंस.
What was the name of these?
Health and more.
Health and more.
Yeah,
Okay.
so it was health, that is pharmacy, and more. So everything else you get. So we used to sell everything there. One store was in Santa Cruz, one store was in Andheri, and I tried my level best. My very good friend, he also helped me out, and he tried to push the business. There were many things, many people were involved doing it, but I don't know, for some reason success नहीं हो पाया.
अच्छा.
So after that I came to my dad and I told him, एक दो
Right.
फिर फार्मा डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन में काम किया. उसके बाद में I told him कि I think I should expand the distribution only. But then he's like, no, think something else. You are a young generation. You can think about many other things which I think I cannot think about.
Right.
So I told him just randomly like this only, Daddy, एक फैक्ट्री डाल दूँ क्या?
Wow. Okay.
तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, do it. You will go in a different league altogether. So that one statement which he gave me was very different from the one which he gave me in the
During the
pharmacy
pharma.
thing, like, yeah.
Right.
And I don't know, क्योंकि रजामंदी थी, he was accepting this fact, and I got it. And my factory was also to be the facility which we have. I was supposed to buy a running factory in Uttarakhand where my current factory is right now. उसके पास ही एक फैक्ट्री था जो मेरे को
जो
buy out
already
करना
built
था,
up है और not
जिसका बिजनेस ऑलरेडी चल रहा था. बट फॉर
अच्छा.
सम रीजंस कुछ हमने पेमेंट्स भी दे दिए, पर वो डील नहीं हो पाई. फॉर सम रीजंस इट डिडंट वर्क आउट वेल. And I got an email from the managing director of that company that we cannot work on this deal. I was very upset. Dad is like, it's okay. शायद नसीब में नहीं होगा तो नहीं है. Don't worry about it. Think in a different direction. Maybe, इससे better कुछ करने की चीज़ होगी तो मिलेगी. And I went back. My plant head told me कि सर एक और यहाँ पे फैक्ट्री है, बट वो कैसा है ना कि आधी बनी हुई है.
Okay.
वो काला स्ट्रक्चर हुआ है, बट एक बार देख लो. तो मैं गया देखने के लिए एंड आई थॉट कि यार इसको बनाने को बहुत टाइम जाएगा, सब कुछ होएगा, सो मच मनी विल बी इन्वॉल्व, सो मच एफर्ट्स विल बी इन्वॉल्व.
Absolutely.
एक रनिंग फैक्ट्री चलान ले लेना और एक
Start से करना बहुत
सो डिफरेंट.
जमीन आसमान का.
What should I do? So I called my dad and I told him कि you please come down to Delhi and from there you take a taxi or
उत्तराखंड
car and come to Uttarakhand and see if you like this. So he came and he approved it. So they're going to do it. It's good. It's good that you was getting to know something from scratch. कुछ नया सीखने भी मिलेगा. I was like, ठीक है, करते फिर चलो. My other team members, when they saw this factory, they were like, सर ये आपकी का इंतजार कर रही थी. Because 11 years, there are around 180 factories around me.
Okay.
And this factory was always there.
But आपने
किसी की नजर पड़ी नहीं उस पर. शायद मेरा इंतजार कर रही थी. It was that.
Beautiful. हाँ.
And we thankfully by grace of God we made a position that 11 months में हमारी पूरी फैक्ट्री रेडी हो जाए, स्टार्ट भी हो जाए और चलना, प्रोडक्शन भी निकालना चालू.
Wow.
And it is dot 11 months our factory started working well. Thankfully the owner of the land, the
plant head and the government
plant
and everything,
head, the people involved, many people involved in this. I'm thankful to all of them कि उन्होंने इसको actually में.
And when was this factory started?
It was started on 23rd of June.
Okay.
And I was supposed to do it on 25th of June because it's my dad's birthday.
Okay.
But then I wanted this to be a special occasion and this to be a special occasion.
Nice.
Yes.
Double celebration.
Yeah, I did double celebration, of course. Cake cutting मैंने 25th June को ही की जब मेरे डैड का बर्थडे था. डैड का एक केक, बाजू में फैक्ट्री का एक केक, and he cut both the cakes together.
Beautiful.
And he was very happy.
नहीं यार, बहुत अच्छी बात है. Having said that, आपकी कंपनी का एक रूल है, that's called no cheating rule, right? That's the value. Integrity is the value that comes down from your dad, of course, you as well. But when it comes to the pharma business, जब pharmaceutical companies यहाँ रहती है, ये बहुत rebellious नहीं लग रहा है आपको? Like, without, how do you survive without not doing any sort of cheating?
Any business, ma'am, for that matter, won't survive for a long time if they do any sort of cheating, be it cheating with the employees or be it cheating with the customers or the vendors. It's not possible. And ethically, my dad has been in the industry since 35 years. I have learned from him that cheating will take you nowhere.
Right.
There are instances where customers come and they say substandard product दे दो, rate compete करना है, फलाना ये वो, but we make sure that we avoid that. It's better to say a hard no than to say a easy yes. So I am a strong believer of that. And it's better that you work ethically, because this is not something we are doing for a temporary period. Even if I was doing it for a temporary period, I would not do any cheating.
Right.
I'm very
but then, how do you think when a competitor does that and wins, and goes ahead in the market run or stuff like that, do you feel frustrated?
No. Yes, यहाँ पर जितना लिखा है उतना मिलना है. इसमें कॉम्पिटिटर अपने नसीब की कमा रहे हैं, हम हमारे नसीब की कमा रहे. उसमें कोई ऐसे लेना देना नहीं है कि वो आगे जा रहा है तो हम पीछे क्यों है, या हम आगे जा रहे हैं वो पीछे क्यों है. सब अपने नसीब का कर रहे हैं, अपनी मेहनत से कर रहे हैं. मेरे फादर ने एक ही चीज़ सिखाई है, मेहनत से काम करो, ईमानदारी से काम करो. आई एम डूइंग दैट एंड आई एम थिंकिंग दैट कंपटीशन करना है तो खुद से करो. कल जो था उससे आज बेटर हूँ, और आज जो उससे कल और बेटर कैसे बन.
राइट.
इतना ही उसी में इतने बड़े बन जाएंगे कि शायद से किसी और को देखने की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी, खुद ही को कम्पीट करते रहेंगे खुद से. इससे बड़ा कंपटीशन क्या है.
बहुत ब्यूटीफुली सेड यार. बट देन ऐसा कभी मोमेंट आया है कि आपकी ये वैल्यू की वजह से आपने एक बहुत बड़ी डील जो हो वो मिस कर दी, कि यार दिस वाज अ वेरी गुड डील, बट सामने वाले ने ऐसे कुछ टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस रख दिए जो आपकी वैल्यूज और इंटीग्रिटी से मैच नहीं किए? आपके करियर के
Many
स्पैन में
many
ऐसा?
instances have come when customers want control products at a very at a big quantity, or maybe they request for sir इसमें थोड़ा सा API कम करके मेरे को rate arrange करके दो, etc etc. These things are very normal
Right.
in pharma, Indian
Yeah,
pharma, etc.
exactly, right.
but we don't do that because we don't feel it is the right way to. अगर इसको एक massive company बनानी है, अगर इसको एक एक विजन के साथ में बहुत आगे लेके जाना है, तो उसके जो फाउंडेशन होते हैं वो बहुत स्ट्रांग होने चाहिए.
Right.
And the foundation are these ethical values which will carry this company ahead, maybe 50 years, 100 years down the line. It will grow and become massive. फाउंडेशन तो यही रहेगा ना.
Right. But generally जो pharmaceutical companies है या जो भी companies है, they chase behind numbers, they chase behind profits. Whereas your company's ethics rules foundation says that quality before numbers, right? So can you explain that why?
Quality is the most important. That's our tagline. Quality for life is our passion. So quality is what we are. Quality is what we have been. My father started with a very small, I believe 200 square feet के वेयर हाउस में उन्होंने अपना बिजनेस चालू किया बाय द नेम ऑफ क्रिस्टल फार्मा.
Right.
And it was quality of people, quality of the work, what he was doing, the way he was. जैसे हमारे डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन में है कि if it is the product is 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, it has to be carried in a particular 2 to 8 degrees Celsius का container.
Okay.
और टेम्परेचर कंट्रोल होना चाहिए प्रोडक्ट. सो
हाँ, वरना it loses out on its right
so
benefits.
that those activities many don't do, many do, but we are the few जो
Who
लोग
follow, right.
करते हैं ये चीज को. एंड बिकॉज वो इंजेक्शन है, डायबिटिक प्रोडक्ट है, किसी के वो इंजेक्शन लगने वाला है, एंड अगर उसका इफेक्ट या एफिकेसी खत्म हो गया, देन नो
What's the
पॉइंट इन
point?
delivering it. So this is also part of quality. The way the product is packed, एक जैसे एक बैग के अंदर पे पैक होता है तो उसमें वो टूटना नहीं चाहिए. That is also part of quality. So not only in manufacturing, in distribution also, quality plays a vital role.
Right.
And yeah, that's how it is.
Well, that's
Quality
beautiful. But
is
then
most
what about
important.
the numbers and profits? Like, how do you think? Okay, because at the end of the day, तो है तो business, right? So you have to also look on that side because you have people in your den जिनको आपको salary भी देनी होती है. So how do you think on that?
Now अब business ने अब legacy हो गया है.
Right.
So जब business था तभी quality में compromise नहीं करना पड़ा
Right.
या नहीं किया. Legacy में कहाँ से करेंगे?
बढ़िया. Right. Beautiful, beautiful. What according to you is कि अगर एक कोई रॉन्ग प्रोडक्ट को लॉन्च करने के लिए कोई आपको पिच करता है, वेदर हाउ डू यू से अ हार्ड नो कि नहीं यार ये तो, हाउ डू यू कन्विंस समबडी कि वी आर नॉट गोइंग बियॉन्ड दिस? अगर कोई आपके पास प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च लेके आ रहा है या स्टफ लाइक दैट, इन टर्म्स ऑफ अफोर्डेबिलिटी एज पर द इंडियन मार्केट, कि नहीं यार सर ये 10 रुपए में या ये इस पे कर सकते हैं क्योंकि इंडियन मार्केट वैसा है एंड स्टफ. सो देयर हाउ डू यू से कि नहीं यार इसमें भी भले कुछ भी अफोर्डेबिलिटी मेंटेन करेंगे बट क्वालिटी कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं होनी चाहिए?
I would take it the other way, that definitely that one product will not be there which will be pitched to me.
Right.
So I would rather lose on the margins and make my quality consistent and earn from the other products which are being sold through that product,
Got it.
rather than compromising on quality of that product and उसकी क्वालिटी कम करके कंपनी की एथिक्स का कंपनी लेगेसी के रास्ते लगाना.
Right, right.
So if for example you say पैरासीटामोल, अगर पाँच रुपए में फॉर एग्जाम्पल वो पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट बन ही नहीं रहा है पर मार्केट में डिमांड 5 रुपए का है, तो आई वुड रादर डू लॉसेस इन दैट प्रोडक्ट. बट बिकॉज ऑफ दैट पैरासीटामोल, इफ आई एम गेटिंग 20 products in which I will earn maybe 5, 7, 10% margins, I will average it out, I will come to 3-4%. That is enough for me to run this company.
Beautiful, beautiful. That comes from the entrepreneurial mindset.
Yeah.
हाँ. So when it comes to numbers of products and stuff like that, what is your belief? कि more is merrier या fewer is better?
More is merrier. They need to
Okay.
have more products because India is a very big market. We always forget that, and it's 140 crore of people who are living in this country, and healthcare is always getting advancements. Healthcare has to be reached to the right people
Got it.
at the right prices with the right quality. So I always, keep on focusing on quality.
How do you feel when you say that, Indian markets are different from global markets? Like आप Indian audiences को global audiences के हिसाब में कैसे tackle करते हो when it comes to Indian market?
For me, Indian market or global market, whatever market it is all the same. Doesn't matter. For
Okay.
me, it's not that whatever export orders we are getting, we are going to give better quality in that in Indian products. In fact, our company marketing division, Lifejoy Healthcare, the products ka packaging or the quality which is there, my customers, my end customers, retailers, they say, okay, sir, it is better than the ethical companies which are
Running
supplying
no.
over here.
Right,
Yeah.
right.
So because we are maintaining that quality and that intention कि चाहे इंडिया में माल बेचना स्टॉक बेचना है चाहे ग्लोबली बेचना है, it has to be of the same standard.
So no compromise on the standards.
No. For India, it's here. Never.
जैसे कि of course everybody knows your dad. मिस्टर हुसैन पाटनवाला ने अपना एक नाम, एक रुतबा, एक इम्पैक्ट ये सोसाइटी में बनाया है, राइट? And now coming that from you, like you are his son, Samad Hussain Patanwala. But that's like an identity of you being his son. Who exactly is Samad Hussain Patanwala? Like beyond that, just उनके बेटे के अलावा आप क्या हो?
See, I'm proud to say I'm a distributor's boy. I am very proud that I got this opportunity where I learned about the distribution business, and from there I got a backward integration done. And of course, he said bars for me. He said because he's known by the name Hussein Bhai in the market. And all the distributors around Mumbai city knows him. All the pharma company executives know him very well by this name. And he's done his job by setting up a very good bar for me.
Exactly.
I have to take it from there, live up to the expectations. And for me, if you love something, you need to give it time.
Okay.
Time is most important. मेरे लिए love का definition या spelling है time. TIME is
Wow.
the spelling of love for me. If I love my business, I have to give it time. I have to be in disciplined manner. If I love my people, the employees who are working for me, I have to give them time. If I'm loving my family, I have to give them time. So time is very important, and I feel that if I give it time, if I love my business, I will be in a position where I will try to maybe वो बार शायद मैं टच नहीं कर पाऊंगा, बट कोशिश कर सकता हूँ.
To reach at that point,
Yeah,
right?
कोशिश कर सकता हूँ. My
Beautiful.
son should say that he tried.
Ha. Right.
Yeah.
Very beautifully said. And when that comes, like, what according to you, okay, of course, there's so much pressure. How do you stay focused? Like, amidst the pressure of expansion, कि चलो expand भी करना है, dad की legacy follow करनी है. तो इन सब के दौरान आपका focus ना हिले. How is it? Like, do you stay focused?
So my only mantra, I would say, to stay focused is like when I am in a situation where I'm very frustrated, I try to put my feet in my father's shoes, and I get into that zone where I think that if I was Hussein Patanwala at this point, what would I do?
Right.
And then I try to do that, and it works out well.
Beautiful.
That's how it is. Yeah.
Great. And what do you feel like, how do you overcome failures? मतलब ऐसा तो कभी तो हुआ होगा कि, there was a rock bottom time. Tell us about that and how did you overcome that?
Failures are very common. Very common. कुछ प्रोडक्ट मार्केट में लॉन्च किए चल नहीं रही, ये भी एक फेलियर है. या लॉट ऑफ फेलियर्स वी हैव. बट बड़े फेलियर्स जैसे होते हैं, यू नीड टू ओवरकम, बिकॉज जैसे कहते हैं कि सूरज ढलेगा तो नया सूरज उगेगा. सो इफ आई एम not going to overcome from that failure, if I don't get over it, I won't be able to do a fresh start to something new.
Right.
So
ऐसा कोई इंसिडेंट था जहाँ पे it was a failure for you or your father or your company,
Yeah.
and how did you overcome that?
6 October 2009, our office got the warehouse in Ray Road. It caught fire.
Oh.
So I was at, it was 6 in the morning. I was sitting because I was doing my Bachelor of Management Studies. And I was sitting, there was a swing. My mom is very fond of swing. So whichever house we are in, we make sure there is a swing there.
Right.
Can I?
झूले की आदत तो
Jule ki aado. My mom wants to be that Rani on that Jula, and she's a Rani.
हाँ.
So,
बढ़िया.
yeah. So, झूले पे सुबह में 6 it was 6 in the morning as much as I recollect, and and I was going to office at that time also when my exams were going, so it was like 11 in the night when closing का पूरा stock आया हुआ था, because in pharma what it happens is that first या second तक का medical representative does the closing and then the products are sent from the CNF, so it reaches by 5, 6, 7th of your month's dates.
Right.
So हमारा पूरा वेयर हाउस स्टॉक से भरा पड़ा था, एंड 6 in the morning I was swinging on the Jula. I was doing my revision because I had a paper after 2 hours, 3 hours, and my dad suddenly from the opposite room just came out, very shocking, and he was expecting me to be there because he knows that I'm studying, and he's telling me that के वो ऑफिस में आग लग गई है, नीचे से फोन आया था, चलना पड़ेगा. So I told him कि okay, let's go. And we both were, father son were shocked.
So entire pura warehouse.
Yeah. So we both went, and it was raining heavily as much as I remember. And we both thought in a way that के छोटा मोटा कुछ आग लगा होगा, कुछ हल्का फुल्का होगा, because बाजू में एक next door was a warehouse again of some next door there was a warehouse of this shoes what you
अच्छा,
there are
leather
shoe और
हाँ,
there
हाँ,
शायद
हाँ.
किसी ने बीड़ी सिगरेट पी के फेंक दिया होगा, कुछ हल्का फुल्का फायर हुआ होगा. So we both were in that intention. I was driving the car, and that time this railroad warehouse, it is on the first floor. Opposite there is a half bridge. There used to be a half bridge.
अच्छा.
So when you want to go to the office, you have to take that half bridge, and you see the entire office.
Okay.
So we both went to that point, and we both were waiting inside. दिल में धक धक हो रहा था कि ये इसके बाद जो देखने का है, I hope वो कुछ इतना ना हो जो हम देख नहीं पाए,
जो सह ना पाए. हाँ.
या सह ना पाए. गाड़ी से ऐसे नीचे उतरती गई गाड़ी. 16 फायर ब्रिगेड buses were standing. 2 police cars, 2 other cars. Everybody was आग बुझाने में लगे गए. गाड़ी नीचे उतरी, हम दोनों फादर सन, वी वर शॉक्ड. हमको समझ नहीं आ रहा था क्या करना है. ऊपर जाना है तो उस टाइम पे मेरे फादर वो ऐसा वाला ताला लेके आए थे जो ताला हथौड़े से भी ना टूटे, या बॉम्ब से भी ना टूटा, आई वुड से. So the fire people had to do, there is a, what do you say, this roof जैसा रहता है वैसे.
हाँ हाँ.
So they broke into it. Because they broke into it, fire और थोड़ा सा escalate
हुआ.
And plus medicines. So it escalated, and it was the largest fire massacre in pharma industry in India, I would say.
Oh shit.
We went up and we saw everything burned down into ashes. Nothing was left. Zero. I saw with my own eyes electoral powder आता है, ORS powder, इसका 100, 150 के आसपास में there were these shippers, and सुबह आके we saw zero. I told my dad this also, that there is a IBM का laptop, if you remember that time there used to be a red mouse in between. That ये लेके जाता हूँ घर पे, because day after tomorrow I'll need this laptop. So no, keep it. Tomorrow you come, tomorrow you take it. I went. I saw the same laptop after 6 hours. It was this size. It became this size. इतना melting की वजह से. So yeah.
Crazy. And from there to now, like, how did you overcome that?
It took time, but it was lot of my uncle is there, Shakur uncle. He was besides my father all this while. Of course, before him, my mother stood by my father. We as the children were always, of the opinion ke whatever you tell us to do, you tell us to go for a job, we'll go for a job. We don't mind it as long as you want it to be. and his friends, my father's two friends, I remember, Raju uncle, Pakya uncle, they were there with him.
Right.
Not, financially शायद कुछ नहीं कर पाए वो लोग, but morally they were,
Headstrong.
was
And उस time पे वो
Yeah.
moral support बहुत
I
matter
learned
करता है.
from them what friendship is.
Wow.
I have got a friend, his name is Manoj. I see that what friendship I saw in my dad and them. I want to have similar friendship or maybe deeper friendship between me and my this friend or other friends.
Right.
Yeah, that's how it is.
Oh, crazy.
One more friend I have, Moin. He's also like a buddy to me, and that's how it is.
What
A lot of friends more,
Right.
but if I'm not naming them, does not mean that
Of course.
they are not in my heart. They are always there, but these two are always around me.
Right.
Yeah.
What is that one value? Of course, हमने आपके dad के बारे में तो बहुत बात किया and we understood so much. But what is that one thing that you learned from your mom? Like, of course, as you just mentioned अभी कि she was headstrong there. ऐसे time पे having a support from your family matters the most. तो ऐसी क्या चीज़ है जो आपकी mom ने आपको बताई और आपने वो सीखी है?
My mom taught me to पैसे मत कमा, लोगों को कमा. पैसे खुद से कमा लेगा.
Wow.
So that's how I got it. Maybe it nurtured into me that लोगों को कमाना सीखो, लोगों को अपना बनाओ, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व होंगे. अगर आप बिजनेस में हो तो ऑटोमेटिकली प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व होंगे, पैसा आएगा. So it is that way. And many more things. She is very religious, and she tells us to be religious as well. We try to, and yeah. So this is one quality which I have. Second is she has got a lot of sabr in her,
Wow,
patience,
patience.
which I see that itna bada fire, all those things, but she never complained to my dad.
Wow.
Never complained, no complaint. Even if he was not able to give money for the family
Expenses या जो भी हो,
no
right?
complaint. She used to manage. She's been managing.
Beautiful, beautiful.
So she is herself a CA she's a CA in herself, I would say.
Right.
Yeah. And my father, yeah, he's taught us only one thing, मेहनत से काम कर, ईमानदारी से काम कर. बाकी आना ही आना है, कहीं नहीं जाएगी.
Great. What is the definition of success for you?
Success is, for me, if you are happy about it, you're successful.
Okay, nice.
If I'm happy about it, I'm successful. ऐसे instances होते जहाँ पर पे we don't win. So for me, winning is not success. But if you are happy about it, I tried. I maybe failed on that, but I tried. I'm happy. I'm successful.
So joy and happiness is the definition.
That's why my one marketing company name is Life Joy.
Beautiful, nice, great. Apart from being Samad Hussain Patanwala, apart from being a managing director of Denmark, what is the one thing in life that you say that you're proud of?
It will get me a little emotional, but my father's son. I'm very proud of that.
Nice. Yeah. Right.
And of course, my mother's son. So yeah, both the ways. So I'm very proud of being my father.
Their son, right?
That's it.
Right.
That completes me, in satisfies me that yeah, इससे आगे अगर कोई pride है नहीं है, I don't care. I am proud that I'm their son.
Great. And you are the eldest in your family, right?
No, I've got an elder sister and
Okay.
a younger brother.
Okay. So how do you tackle your relationship with your siblings?
I love them and I give them time.
Okay.
Yeah. I want to make sure that I want to talk to my brother. दो दिन में 3-4 बार बात करनी है. Sister के साथ में, if we are not, because she's married, she has her own commitments, we don't meet that often, but I want to make sure that I want to talk to her on the phone, WhatsApp her, message her. Or maybe, there are instances where we come across some reels which are related to brother, sister.
Right.
Brother teasing the sister, such a reel. So I just send it
तो
across.
आपका कोई family group वगैरह है क्या WhatsApp?
of
Crazy where you send memes and stuff. What is the, but then how do you find that balance? Because generally, जो entrepreneurs या young minds होते हैं, according to them, there is no work-life balance. उनके लिए ऐसा लगता है कि नहीं, अगर just work, and then there's no balance, there's no family time, or there's no, time given. But जैसे आपने कहा कि the definition of love is time. So how do you balance all of this? Like, कैसे maintain करते हैं आप ये balance?
Yeah, I try to squeeze on few things where it's not required. Time नहीं waste करना है वहाँ पे.
So time management and planning.
Utilize it well.
Right.
But you have to make sure that you give your time to your family, to your hobbies, to your passion, to yourself, to your siblings, to your parents. You need to talk to them.
Right, right.
It's better to talk it out. Because I've seen many people who don't talk to each other and then they are with each other but they don't talk and it
Right.
goes somewhere else.
What's the, according to you, what's the one piece of advice that you would give to your 25-year-old self? अगर आप अभी 25 साल के समंद आपके सामने खड़ा हो तो आप उसको क्या एडवाइस देना चाहेंगे?
और मेहनत कर. Work harder.
Okay.
There has been instances where I did not work. I felt that मैंने वो शायद मिस कर दिया वो times, but उसमें भी मैं शायद मेहनत करता और आगे बढ़ता.
बढ़िया, बढ़िया. So we go into the rapid fire segment.
I love it.
ठीक है. You have been talking about everything, so we want to know the this and that option. ठीक है. We start with first, legacy or growth?
Legacy.
Okay. Tea or coffee?
Chai.
Chai. बढ़िया. Are you an early morning person or a late night person?
Late night.
अच्छा, पूरी रात जाग सकते.
No. I can be awake all night because there has been instances where we've been awake in the office for stock taking or maybe,
Right.
कुछ shipment आ रहा है and all that. So
Right.
it's better that we, before वो early morning हो उससे पहले काम हो जाना चाहिए.
बढ़िया. Right. Discipline या ambition?
Discipline.
Nice. Ethics या speed?
Ethics.
Are you a risk taker or a calculated player?
Calculated player. Very calculated player.
Oh, nice, nice, nice.
This is what is differentiating me with my father, that he's a super risk taker.
हाँ, and you are
I
very
am a
calculated.
calculated guy.
Nice. Volume या value?
Value. Value is very important.
In life. What kind of a boss you are? A strict boss or a fun boss?
Balanced. I am strict. At times I am very, very easy. Sometimes I just want to stand up and order pizza for everyone. So
Nice.
it's that way. Yeah.
Great.
But I'm very sure that my employees love me. I'm
Is-
very sure about every one of them.
बस तो हम देखेंगे ये पॉडकास्ट देखने के बाद कितने एम्प्लॉयज कमेंट कर रहे हैं.
Yeah, definitely.
With all the love. Big cities या smaller towns?
Smaller towns.
Why so?
Smaller towns because that's where the population is. That's where the people are. And that's where the people come from.
Right.
So I would pick smaller town, not big cities.
Great. Risk or responsibility?
Responsibility. I'm the elder son. I have to be responsible.
Right. You go by a gut feeling या you go by a data? Backed by data.
Gut feeling. Instinct.
Instinct.
Yeah, instinct.
Strong है आपका sixth sense.
Gut feeling. Very strong gut feeling I have.
Nice, nice.
Data, I don't care that what the data is showing, but if I feel this is wrong or this is right, it goes right or wrong.
Ooh,
Yeah.
nice.
This I got blessed with from my mother.
हाँ, nice. Office desk या factory floor?
Factory floor. More than factory floor, distribution floor.
Is it? Nice. What would you prefer? Like while you're working, absolute silence or some background music?
Music.
What sort of music do you like?
Anything which is not vocal. So it has to
Just a mellow music.
mellow, yeah. Melody or something like that.
Nice. Any nicknames or something that your team teases you with?
I'm very sure they don't tell me but I'm very aware that many people call me Raja and some call me Badka.
Badka, the big
Badka
one.
is the bigger one.
Yes. Nice, nice, nice. Great. And what's the one word that defines Denmark?
Quality.
Beautiful.
Nothing else. Only quality.
Only quality.
Yeah.
Great.
Not only Denmark, it represents or maybe it clearly says our legacy is quality.
Nicely said. That comes to an end to our rapid fire question.
Thank you.
Awesome. So what's the ऐसा कौन सा टास्क है जो आपको लगता है कि अपार्ट फ्रॉम बीइंग अ सीईओ और समथिंग दैट you think that you do it right and nobody else would do it right, or if you do it you will do it better, kind of a thing.
मैं जो भी करता हूँ वो राइट ही होता है.
Yeah.
I feel that और अगर नहीं भी होता है तो I make sure I make it right.
बढ़िया.
So you
Nice.
don't if there's something done incorrectly, you rectify it.
Got it.
And that's what kind of a person I am. I would want to have if there's a frame which is little tilted, I want to make sure it is सीधा.
सीधा, हाँ.
Or else either I remove it
Or make it
and
सीधा.
or make it सीधा.
बढ़िया.
So that's how I am.
Nice. What do you do? Like if you need a mental break or if you want a break from your day-to-day meetings या जो भी, तो तब आप क्या करते
To spend time with my kids.
हो? Oh, nice.
Yeah. I love spending time with them, with my son, with my daughter, and with my siblings' kids also. I love spending time with them.
Great.
It's good. Although, just sitting around and doing nothing, just being there with them, for them, by them, that's it.
Okay. If there is a new employee that joins your company, what's the one piece of advice जो आप उनको देना चाहोगे which is not in your official handbook या जो भी training sessions में होता है, वो सब छोड़ के एक advice जो आपके as a founder MD की तरफ से जा रही है to that new employee, वो क्या होगी?
I'll just pass on the message which came from my father. मेहनत से काम करो, ईमानदारी से काम करो. Let's leave it to
Result
God.
अपने आप
Result
मिलेगा.
अपने आप आ जाएगा.
बढ़िया.
Yeah.
If there was a movie made on you and your dad or your family's legacy or this, तो वो क्या होती and who would you like as actors to be casted as?
I would love to be casted as Shah Rukh Khan. And my father as Amitabh Bachchan.
Okay.
And my brother as Hrithik Roshan.
Okay.
So it's going to be
Kabhi Khushi Kabhi
Kabhi Khushi Kabhi. Yeah.
Beautiful. Classic,
Where
classic.
and that's how it is in a family also. It's not that every day we all are happy with each other. कुछ difference of opinion होते हैं, कुछ होते हैं. So it's कभी खुशी कभी गम.
How do you handle emotions? Like when it comes to business, of course, you have to make sure that you are stern, you're firm, right? तो आप वो emotional quotient को कैसे handle करते हो?
Again?
For example, when it comes to taking decisions wherein some of your family members are involved because it's your brothers or your sister is there, so how do you handle those family equation emotions along with making sure that your decisions are right?
I speak to them.
Okay.
I tell them this is how it is. This is how I think it should be, and I try to convince them.
Got it.
Majority of the time they get convinced.
So you're good with convincing.
Yeah, I'm very good with convincing, and I convince them. That's what my dad tells me, because I convince my mom very well.
Ah.
So and she's not somebody who can get convinced.
Easily convinced, huh?
So, but she gets convinced by me.
What is the one piece of advice that you would like to give the young generation? Irrespective कि ये हैबिट या ये क्वालिटी आप पे होनी चाहिए, भले कोई भी करियर में क्यों ना हो, not exactly pharma or stuff like that, but that quality should be there in your early days या early years that will keep you going.
You should just speak up. Now, today's generation, they don't want to speak up. They want to keep it in their heart. They would want to share it with strangers or maybe with online or whatever.
Therapist and stuff.
Therapist
Right.
and all those things. Just speak up with the people who are, were, and will always be there for you, which is your parents, your immediate family members,
Family, right?
your wife, or your your siblings, or if you have close friends who are connected to your family.
Right.
So so that they can get the word
right
away. And so that's how it is.
Great. So if you were sent on a deserted island, maybe for 24 hours या 24 या 48 hours के लिए, तो ऐसी कौन सी 3 चीजें हैं जो आप लेके जाओ?
I would take my wife or my son with me, so I can talk.
Okay.
And food and water. That is enough.
Food, water, wife और son.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's it.
But आप कितना ही food लेके जाओगे? Like you will carry it.
24 घंटे के लिए क्या है? खाना 3 टाइम का खाना है 2 टाइम में मिल गया तो ठीक है, इट्स ओके.
Khana, pani, biwi. That's it. His life is sorted there. Badhiya, great. What is that one song that puts you into mood immediately? Like ये गाना बजा तो आप mood में आ गए, irrespective of whatever the situation is.
There's one song Sanam Re.
Sanam.
Sanam Re. Arijit Singh song.
Okay.
That song.
That's Sanam Re, Sanam. Oh, nice. Great. अगर आपने टाइम मशीन डिस्कवर किया तो what would you want to do? Whether go into the past or go into the future?
Future.
Okay. Nice. Why
My
so?
past has always been beautiful. I have been very satisfied with my past. Future, to see what I want to do. Am I doing good enough? And come back to present and make
Do
it
even
right.
better. Right. Nice. ऐसा कोई हाउस होल्ड चोर जो आप करते हो और आपको मजा आता है, लाइक यू लव डूइंग दैट थिंग व्हेन फॉर एग्जांपल इफ यू आर नॉट डूइंग एनीथिंग या आपको 3-4 दिन के लिए घर पे ही रखा गया, तो ऐसा कौन सा लाइक कोविड जैसा सिचुएशन आ गया है, यू नो, वेयर यू आर जस्ट इन योर हाउस, लॉकडाउन और स्टफ लाइक दैट, तो व्हाट इज दैट वन चोर दैट यू वुड लव टू डू?
I would clean the entire house again.
या
I want to clean it. I love cleanliness.
ओके
I'm going to clean it. I'm going to remove everything out, clean it, put it back in systematic order, and I'm going
नाइस
to make sure that everything is as per me.
नाइस
Cleanliness,
सो cleanliness and organization.
organization. Yeah.
Nice. Beautiful. What's the most recent thing that you did made you genuinely excited? मतलब ऐसा कौन सा मोमेंट था जो बहुत लेटली रिसेंटली आया बट वो काम करके आपको मतलब मजा आ गया, यार ये मस्त हो गया, ऐसी वाली फीलिंग?
So it was when my wife gave birth to my daughter.
नाइस,
This 12th June 2025. It was a different moment for me.
ग्रेट,
I felt I'm on another part of this on this world.
राइट
Another spree altogether. Different feeling.
राइट. Years from now, जब you know public after maybe 10 years, 15 years, जब public डेनमार्क को याद करेगी तो क्या सोच के याद करना चाहिए?
ये कंपनी में क्वालिटी मिलता है, चाहे वर्क स्पेस हो, चाहे एक्सपीरियंस हो, चाहे प्रोडक्ट्स हो, चाहे एथिक्स हो, क्वालिटी इज नंबर 1.
Right. Beautiful. You know, there are companies, I mean, being in the pharma industry, of course, there are multiple companies which are doing great throughout, you know, the years in India. Just for example, Sun Pharma hai, Mankind hai, Cipla hai. These are maybe the industries where they are into your competitor business. So how do you take them? Do you take them as competition or do you take them as inspiration?
Inspiration as well as future competition.
Beautiful. क्या बात बोले यार, मतलब कड़क, nice. This question is very interesting and I really want to know what your answer would be. कि if not in pharma business, आप क्या होते? Like what would you be doing? अगर
I would be. What do you think I would be doing?
I guess maybe modeling or something. पता नहीं, मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है.
I would be a scuba diver.
Scuba diver.
Yeah, instructor. Because I love water. I love, when you get inside the water, when you see the reefs around you, when you see the fishes, the group of fishes around you, you or the shoal of lot of fishes, different variety of fishes,
Right.
and the oceanic creatures, it's a different feeling altogether. Something similar to what Ritik had experienced in Zindagi Hai Milegi.
Right.
It is perfectly shot, and that's how it is in the water.
Right.
So I would be a scuba diver. I would keep on diving. I love it.
Right.
I want to do it more and more.
Nice.
Yeah.
What do you think, if
And of course, when you dive and get in the water, you see the different creatures you've never seen before.
right,
You get closer to the one who created you.
nice,
You get
close
close.
to the nature as well.
Yeah.
Nice.
You get closer to, कि ऊपर वाले ने ये भी बनाया है. There's something which you've never seen before, and you see it, and you're like, that is so massive.
Nice. Beautiful. What is the one thing that you feel that, अगर आप कुछ नहीं कर रहे होते, like a lazy day around. So how would define your lazy day? You don't have to work, you don't have to do anything, you don't have to take your family, kids outside. It's just you. Just you.
Yeah.
How would you do it? What would you do?
I would paint.
You would paint.
Yeah.
Nice.
I would paint the lazy day. I would paint what I'm going to do tomorrow.
Okay.
Or maybe I would paint a scenery where it's me, my family, the people around me. I would paint that.
Nice.
Yeah.
What's the one thing that you would like to tell your employees, like whoever is listening, उनको आप क्या message देना चाहोगे?
Only one thing, that I love them all very much and I'm proud that they are working with me. And I would want to assure that next coming years, I want this family of 700 people to grow to 7,000 people.
Wow.
Probably next 2 years or 3 years.
Amazing, amazing. Beautiful, beautiful. If you could put one message on Times Square billboard, New York Times Square billboard पे, for all your competitors to see it, वो message क्या होगा?
हुसैन भाई का धुरंधर आ गया है.
Wow, Karnak. This is really nice. Really, really, really nice. What's the one technological trend जो आपको लगता है कि अभी बहुत ज़्यादा overhype हो गया है? It's just talks.
So I would not term it as technological trend. I would term it as a verbal trend which is there in the market, which says that the generic medicines don't work, or they are cheaper, or the quality is not good.
Right.
So ये एक ट्रेंड है जो चलता आ रहा है, आज से नहीं है, पहले से है. So it's not right, because we are manufacturers plus we distribute and we market.
Right.
So we know that what kind of quality competitors are also giving and we are also giving. Some might be, compromising with the quality, but that is again the same story is in the ethical promotion as well. So this is what I am not comfortable with
Right.
as a trend.
Right.
And apart from that, if we talk about the current trends which are happening, influencers are there who want to, control the audience by doing, I don't know what they do on Instagram whatsoever.
Right.
But the real influencers, they should have a platform like what you have. So who can, come up on the stage, on the screen and speak up that this is how it happened and etc. etc. That's the real influencing power.
True.
Not this that dancing on, again the screen and getting so many followers. This is my personal opinion. No offenses that way.
Got it. Great, great. Personally, what kind of legacy would you want to leave behind?
A strong company with a strong team and strong ethics, which gives strong quality products, very good quality products, and a small team of, I believe, 10,000 people. This is what I want to leave with.
Small team. Amazing, amazing. Beautifully
Or I would say small family of 10,000 people.
Beautifully said. Great, great, great. Awesome. That was an really amazing conversation. Thank you so much for doing this. Thank you for walking us through, your journey, your hardships, your failure, success. Honestly, आज यहाँ पे बैठ के मैं बहुत कुछ सीख के जा रही हूँ. सो आई एम डेफिनेटली श्योर कि ये जो भी पॉडकास्ट देख रहे होंगे वो भी काफ़ी कुछ सीखेंगे, वो भी आपको बहुत बेहतर तरीके से जानेंगे. So it has been really great to have you on board. Thank you so much for doing this.
Thank you so much. It's been a pleasure. Thank you so much again. Not to you as well as to your entire crew who are behind the cameras. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you. Thank you.